to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to run off cycle payroll and set benefits deduction in Gusto. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to run off cycle payoff and set benefit deduction in Gusto, all you gotta do is simply sign in into your Gusto account. So once you get signed in into your Gusto account, all you gotta do now is simply go and sign in into your Gusto admin and navigate to the pay section. Now once you're here, simply click run payroll and then select off cycle payroll. After doing this, you can simply choose the employees you want to include in the payment, specify the work period and the payment date as well. And for tax and benefit handling, you can simply choose to block all regular deductions and contributions, make all regular deduction and contributions, or allow for specific choice for a bonus payroll. Now you can review the payroll details and click on submit payroll. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.